Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. My 2020 Supra is 5 years old, but I finally decided to enhance the ducktail spoiler on the car. Well, it's not really even a spoiler, it's just the shape of the hatch. And today we're gonna spruce it up with a Ninte spoiler. And I've been eyeing it up for a while and finally decided to go with it just to give it a little more distinctive look. So let me show you. All right, guys, let me quickly unbox the spoiler. Pretty simple packaging here. It does come with 2 rolls of the adhesive, and unfortunately, it's not pre-applied to the spoiler. You will have to do that yourself. And I don't see instructions either. So let me pull out the spoiler. It's nicely wrapped. Unwrap this foam. And it is the beautiful gloss black. Now this does come in a matte black finish as well and a carbon fiber look as well. So I chose the gloss black for my downshift blue Supra. So the first step, we are going to have to apply the supplied adhesive to the spoiler underside before we put it on the car. And I'm going to go ahead and clean it with isopropyl alcohol, the underside of the spoiler, to make sure we get good adhesion. And there are no instructions included with the kit, but I've installed spoilers before and I know you want the best adhesion possible. I'm just gonna wipe down the underside of the spoiler, make sure it's clean of debris and oils. I'm gonna try not to touch it with my fingers. Then I'm gonna take the adhesive roll and just start at one end and go all the way around. And we'll see how far we get with the supplied roll. I put one roll at the very top or bottom of the spoiler, and I'm gonna go around the opposite side with the other roll, and we'll see how much is left. Okay, there's a little bit left, so I'm gonna start my third section in the middle of the spoiler. Okay, this is where I ended up putting the adhesive top and bottom and a little bit more in between. There wasn't really enough to go the full way again on the rolls, but I don't think it's necessary. That should be plenty to hold the spoiler on. So first I'm gonna test fit it on the vehicle, and then we'll start peeling off the tape. So the test fit looks good, and I'm just gonna wipe down the painted surface with that isopropyl alcohol to make sure there are no oils and waxes. And this is such a curved surface, we want to make sure we have good adhesion or this spoiler might be flying off at 100 miles per hour. So I like to leave the covering on most of the adhesive and just have it started. And just get it lined up with a little bit of adhesive on the ends and then pull it off while it's on the vehicle. Make sure all the tails are out. That looks pretty even on both edges of the hatch. All right, let's pull this off. I'm lifting on the spoiler slightly. All right, I think I got it all. Now I want to apply a lot of pressure on the spoiler. I should have put the parking brake on because the whole car is moving. All right, so I got it stuck down pretty well and it fits perfectly. I will be putting more pressure on, make sure it's stuck all the way around. But yeah, looks great, no gaps. I'll get some beauty shots here in a bit after it cures a bit, but probably want to leave it on for 24 hours or so before you get it wet or really start stressing it. And as a final step, I'm going to put some quick detailer on it and help press it down and take all the fingerprints off of it while I am protecting it. So guys, tell me in the comments below what you think of my Ninte spoiler. It is very aggressive actually. It's pretty high and you definitely see that from the inside of the car. The rear view mirror out is definitely obstructed a little bit. It's a difference from stock for sure. It's pretty aggressive and it really spruces up that rear end. It matches nicely with the black body kit surrounding the vehicle as well. I originally was thinking about a painted spoiler, but just didn't find one. But I really like this one, especially with the cutouts here. It looks pretty cool and aggressive. I actually have a similar style on my Mach-E as well, my Mustang Mach-E. But if you guys are interested in this spoiler, I do have a discount code and I will put the link below for it. And it's not a bad price as well. So pretty easy to install as well. And again, really kicks off this vehicle. I don't know why I waited so long for a mod like this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up. Check out the link below. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video.